Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to take out the two blanks. These are the two blanks that are currently hooked up in the back. These are all just they don't have anything connected to them, and as you can see right here, it says side rear LED light, and over here it says LED light bar switch. So those are the two blanks you have there, and I picked this up from the internet. I think it was from eBay. So I got a Sasquatch light, and I also got LED light bar, another switch. And then I've had this for a while, and this is for the front LED light bar. So I've had the harness for a while, and this was just taking up room inside, so I thought I will use it up, then I can toss this away. Let's see here. You can see that's the part number. And it says it's the wire harness for the rollover protection system, forward light only. So that can go to the trash. And this one will be hooked up underneath the passenger side footwell, and then you run it all the way, hold it with zip ties up the roll bar, and it should end somewhere there. So that's the little project I have for this rainy and gloomy day. The trick I used to get this second tab out, this second cover, was I used these adjustable pliers, and then I squeezed top to bottom, and then after squeezing really hard, I was able to get it out a little bit, and then I changed and I came from in front, and grabbed it right here and pulled it out. So the first step I did, I went behind underneath the dash, and I squeezed really hard while pushing forward, so it came out a little bit. Then I came out here and wiggled it out and pulled really hard. You can see the tabs that prevent it from coming out. Let's see if we can zoom in here. The lighting is not really good, so bear with me. There. So you can see the tabs that prevent it from coming out. So if you can get to squeeze those, press on those, that does the trick. Then you can push it out. Otherwise, it's actually quite difficult. You can see the damage I did to my dash when I tried to take out the first one. I did quite a bit of damage. Sorry, my focus is not working well today. Yeah, there. So I did quite a bit of damage. That was a few months back, and here not so much damage. All right, so let's go ahead. The one that says LED light bar is that one, and I'm not very sure how this is supposed to work. My pinout is different, as you can see. 4 cables. So I'm not sure. All right. So I guess it should go in like that. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's not working. I got the wrong size. Oh, yeah. This is bad. I suppose I have to go to Sherwood tractor now. Yeah, this is not working. Wrong size. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll get on with Sherwood tractor and try to order the correct thing. and see you guys on the next video. And here is some bonus footage. I have the front left brake caliper for the Mahindra Roxor. I have it on sale, $120 shipped. These brake calipers, they come with brand new brake pads. Unfortunately, I had my little dog here, the lab, that chewed the original box. I kept part of the box, but here is the brake caliper. I bought a pair. I used the right one on my Roxor, and here is the left side, which would be the driver's side. You can confirm with the part number. Make sure that's what you need. It's original, unused, and there it is. $120 shipped to the continental United States. If you need it, please shoot me an email, a text, or leave a comment on this video. If you know of somebody who needs a front left brake caliper for the Mahindra Roxor, $120 shipped, and just let me know. Leave a comment below, and that would be mutually beneficial. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can still tell, I haven't been able to solve what seems to be my greatest hang up right now, which is to get an appropriate tire wheel set for my Roxor. I'm definitely sure I'll be going with 35s, but I just need to get a nice wheel and tire combo that works for me. Otherwise, with winter almost here, it's quite cold. I'm enjoying the cap that I have right now, and it's just been a pleasure having the Roxor all this while. And there I'm just driving around the neighborhood from this older footage, which was over this summer 2020. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. If this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, and that way I can keep the videos rolling. See you guys on the next one, and thanks.